In this video, we will walk through the steps to recreate Clio's client activity report with your data from Clio using the myFirmData custom reporting tool. Starting at the myFirmData dashboard, click Create Report. In the upper left-hand corner, you will see Report Type. By clicking here, you will see a drop-down arrow next to Matters where you can choose any type of report you would like to create. Since we are recreating Clio's client activity report, and that report includes both activity and billing information, we'll need to choose Billing under the report type. On the right-hand side, the subcategories appear for billing, and the list of selectable fields appears below. We will now choose what fields we would like to have included in our report in our spreadsheet builder. In the Fields list, choose Bill Number and Bill Status. Back under Report Categories, choose Activities, and under the Fields list, choose Activity Type, Time Expense Description, Activity Date, Activity Hours, and Activity Rate. Then, under Activity Description, choose Activity's Name. Back under the Contacts Report category, choose Contacts, and under the Fields list, choose Contact Full Name. Then, under the Matters Report category, choose Matters, and under the Fields list, choose Matter Number. Finally, under the Users Report category, choose User Full Name. Once we have selected the fields that we would like to include, you'll notice that they appear in the Spreadsheet Builder below. The Spreadsheet Builder allows you to add additional fields as well as remove them. In order to have them in the same order as the Clio report, the order of the fields should be Contact Full Name, Matter Number, Activity Date, Bill Status, User Full Name, Bill Number, Activity Type, Time Expense Description, Activity's Name, Activity Hours, and Activity Rate. When we are satisfied with the fields to include in our report, we can now choose the Criteria and Filters options down at the bottom. We'll begin with Criteria. Click anywhere in the blue bar to expand the criteria area. For this report, we will group by Contact Full Name. You also have the ability to choose Sort By. Once the fields are grouped by Contact Full Name, you can choose how they will be sorted within the group. For this report, we will sort by Bill Number. The next window allows you to choose whether you want the sorting to be done in ascending or descending order. For this report, we will choose Ascending. Finally, under Criteria, you have the ability to total all the columns. If there are columns that include money or some other factor that you would like to total, you can choose Yes or No to total the columns. Since we have a number of fields related to money in this report, we'll say Yes. Now, let's talk about filters. If you're looking for specific information about one of the fields, choose that field from the drop-down. Since we're recreating Clio's client activity report, no filters are needed for this particular report. When you're finished creating your report, click on Preview. You will now see the myFirmData reporting tool has recreated Clio's client activity report from all the fields and conditions that we chose earlier. If the report does not give you exactly the information you are looking for, go back and add additional fields, conditions, and filters to match your reporting needs. To find out more about myFirmData, please visit us at our website and on YouTube. Thanks for listening.